Hi, this is a quick video to help you set up AgentGuild. So as the quick start guide says, you will need the Claude Code installed that you can download from the Claude website. You need a Claude subscription, either one that contains some Claude Code access, one of the plans, or you can also get API tokens from an Anthropic console account. And then of course you need access to AgentGuild that you can do signing up for the beta, and then you will get the client ID and client secret via email. So the email looks like this, and you will get it once we approved you for the beta program. So that's the client ID and the client secret. And that's all you need. So how to do this? Well, you can do this in Windows or macOS or Linux. You use the curl command. That's the simplest way. And what you need to do is to copy paste this command and then replace the client ID and the client secret by the values that you got via email. So let's go to the terminal. Let's copy paste, and I go to the client ID and client secret. Client ID in my case is hello, and the client secret is this one. So I copy, I paste it here, and then I can run this command. It's the same, exactly the same command in Linux and Windows and macOS. So I can just do this, and then I get an access token. What I get actually is a JSON structure. So pay attention to the structure, and then the token will be the value that is linked to the access token field name. So it's starting with EY always, and then it goes until the double quotes that is before the token type. So this entire string is your access token for the AgentGuild MCP server. Now, how do I add the MCP server? Well, that's also on the AgentGuild guide. So I can copy paste now this command. I will put it here, and then in the your access token, I need to use this value. And that's it. So it says added as a C, MCP server, AgentGuild MCP, blah, blah, blah. And now I can actually verify this by running Claude MCP list. And I have other MCP servers installed, Notion and Playwright. And now I also have AgentGuild MCP, and it says it is connected. So this is all you need to have AgentGuild MCP or AgentGuild access from Claude Code.